400 million terabytes of data are collected every single day, with that number growing as we speak. The comments we leave on YouTube videos, the emojis we love, the forms we fill out at the doctor's office, even the clothes we buy, it's all data. We're generating data all the time, creating a picture of who we are and our vast connections to one another. But making sense of all this information, like finding patterns, making predictions, and turning them into action, takes skill. That's where data science comes in. With more applied data science with Python, you'll master advanced data science techniques through hands-on projects and cutting-edge technology, like AI and machine learning. In this series, we bring together 4 expert data scientists and faculty from the University of Michigan to help you learn skills in data mining, network modeling, information extraction, and unsupervised learning. Building on what you've learned in applied data science with Python, this course series empowers you to advance your analytical skills to take the next step in your career. Enroll in Michigan Online and start expanding your analytical skills today.